TD, welcome back to the channel. This is my medium transition TR11 and it's a sick bike. I really like it a lot. It's got some nice geometry. All of my suspension is by DVL. I have a Jade in the rear and an Onyx in the front. It's all custom tuned for my riding style and weight by the guys over at DVL. I have a DD downhill stem with the Brendan Fairclough bars cut down to 772 millimeters, wrapped around with the lockjaw grips, some T-Mac pedals so my feet don't fall off, and my DD seat post and seat. I have my TRP DH7 drivetrain with my DHR Evos so that I can stop, but I don't stop off. I have my nice custom colored Onyx hubs, the Vespers, and they're laced up to the Stans Flow rims. And I have an Acidai Maxxis tire on the front and a Dissector Maxxis tire on the back. I have these wonderful wolf tooth headset and spacers, which really tie my bike together.
I'm getting the follow cam footy. People seizure. Thank you.
I think a lot of people are too.
What's up, guys? Pancakes, pancakes.